shall teach you today about the water. And today, you will glide upon the wetness as you watch Cajun's flag flying gracefully. Today, we shall fly valiantly into that sea of water, which is really just a reservoir, like a lake.
You can be a hero of the backwaters before tomorrow's day is done. You must paddle hard and keep paddling and meet the challenges that these characters have for you. As you know, I traveled through the portal in search of Queen Nestra. I did, however, meet the Hoarders, and the Hoarders showed me the future of the backwaters. And I convinced them to come here to help us. And they can turn trash into treasures. And when you bring them trash, they will have treasures for you.
Put your paddles in the air.
It's time if they want to redeem themselves. Oh, yes. Come on, man.
There are bonus points for Blair.
Oh.